Hello everyone, here I am with my new video about birds. Do you know some interesting facts about birds? Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class of aves characterized by feathers, toothless big jaws, the laying of hard-shelled eggs, a metabolic rate, four-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton. There are more than 18,000 bird species in the world. Many birds are kept as pets, including doves, parakeets, and lovebirds. Birds are only animal with feathers. We can find birds all over the continents of the world. Birds flock together to protect themselves. Birds are evolved from dinosaurs. Some birds can mimic human speech. Some birds live with one eye open. Porcine chicks have the claws on their wings. The wandering albatross can sleep flying. Penguins can jump so high as 9 feet. Crows can recognize human faces. Birds communicate with color and sound. Birds don't have teeth. Bird courtship lasts longer than copulation. Birds play with one another. Birds play a significant role in our ecosystem. Bird poop act as an important fertilizer. Birds are a large part of human history. The chicken is the closest living relative to the Tyrannosaurus rex. Smallest bird egg belongs to the hummingbird and it is the size of a pea. The largest bird egg from which ostrich hatches is the size of a cantaloupe. Penguin is the only bird that can swim but not fly. It is the only bird that walks upright. Owls turn their head almost 360 degrees, a complete circle, but they cannot move their eyes. Chickens have over 200 distinct noises they make for communicating. The first bird domesticated by humans was the goose. Kiwi birds are blind, so they hunt by the smell. Thanks for watching. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel.